All right, removing the sun visors out of a 2007 Monte Carlo, finding the right torque fit. You take out this screw here and lift it up, pop that off of it. Of course, this headliner is out of the car, but it's basically the same principle. You can do it upside down inside the car. Save your screws, they got to go back in. Take that one out. Move this around just enough. And you can also flip it up to get to it. So, you do it either way. Now, you might have wires because you got a lighted mirror in here. So, you got a lighted mirror. Be careful once you take this screw out, because you may have to take the headliner off to get it totally out. Some of them don't have lighted mirrors. This one didn't have a lighted mirror. So, it did have a wire that run down in. And that's how you get that out. That's all there is to getting that out. There's two of those. Now, you might be wanting to take this out. Just take this, take a screwdriver, pop that up, pop that up, pop that one up, pop that up. This whole unit comes up together. It's snapped in with 4 clips. You want to try to get as close to these clips as possible when you're prying up. I wouldn't pry. You might break them off if you don't. But that's the best way I can tell you to get to them. Just when it's sitting in there, make sure when you put your screwdriver up underneath, you pry up that way. Just twist it up, pop it up. But you want to stay as close to them clips as possible. They're just spring loaded. They'll come out. This here, you can unplug it there. It's got a little tab on top. Just unplug it. You can get that piece out of there. That's your passenger airbag and all that good stuff. Your little sensor for your airbag and stuff. There's that. Now you might be wanting to get these out. And your dome light. You pop them little tabs open. I do believe there's some hardware in the back. So if you're taking your headliner out, you want to save all your hardware. Long screws, pretty long. You're taking your headliner out, you'll have to remove all the trim that's around it first. It all pops out, screws out. Pull your screws out. There's your handle. Taking the dome light out, show you how that comes out. The little prong on both sides. If you get one side out, you pull pop it right out, but it's right in the middle. And that's where your tang is, right there in the middle. Pull your light bulb out. You can take a screwdriver or something and pop it that way and pop it up and then pull it out. However you want to do it. Once you get it done, you're going to want to slide it in that way. And that takes your dome light out. If you're taking the headliner out, you've got these 2 little buttons back here. These 2 little buttons, you can take 2 screwdrivers, work it up. If you're worried about that, you can take a pair of, once you get it up a little bit, take that, go underneath it, put your screwdriver underneath, kind of pry up on it. Just a plug. Take these screwdrivers. Try not to rip my headliner. Pull it up enough. I've got the sharp side on this side. I don't squeeze it together, but just kind of bring it together. Squeeze it together just a little bit, not very much pressure. Put my screwdriver under the end. And I just lift up. There you go. I'm going to pull that out. Don't forget to save all your equipment or your parts. All right, time to take the headliner out. Now once you get your headliner out, you flip it over. You can see on a 2007, your wires are clipped in. They're glued in. You pull all that off. Take that piece off. Now remember, if you need to mark the path of it, you can see the glue path, but if you get confused and you want to know how it goes, always mark it. I always tell you to take paint pins and mark it out so you know which way it goes. If you have to, put a piece of tape on it and draw you an arrow front, back, whatever you got to do to remember how it goes in, so that way you put this all back in. Can't remember. There's your headliner. That's out. Got some other pieces. These pieces went to your, now remember when you put your headliner back in to put these pieces over here, they lock up your headliner handle. They're spacers that go in there. Don't forget them. These brackets here, these brackets, they all hook the headliner in. We're trying to figure out where all the other rivets are. You look through here for the roof, you'll find out that some of them are still holding on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these three out here and these three out. I'll do the three over there and the three over there. That should break the headliner loose. Don't do this one or any of these. You'll poke a hole through your roof. Don't do it. None of these in here. None of those. Leave the bracket attached to the roof for right now. Just do these three. Don't go through your roof. Make sure your drill bit does not go through the roof. And I'll show you how you do that. Now there is some pieces, my bracket here goes up underneath to here, so I'm going to have to cut these two loose. Okay. Same thing, you can see where it ends there. I got to get these two. Got to prop that. Well, I'll drill all three of these out. Alright, I shortened my drill bit up so I don't go all the way through and poke a hole through the roof. I suggest you do the same.